Hi guys, today we're going to continue working on the study guide. Um, we're going to work through this, probably get through about this page for today, and then we'll finish the next page on Monday since there is no school tomorrow. Do not forget that. You do not need to do anything for school tomorrow. And then we will take our test on Tuesday. So, number 7, Heather rides her bike partially around the circular path shown. Her goal is to ride her bike along an arc intercepted by an 88-degree central angle. If she meets her goal, approximately how many feet will she have ridden round to the two decimal place? So we know the arc is 88. Okay, so central angle is 88. So we have to look back at our arc formula. Okay. I know we have it right there. Arc length. So it's going to be the m over 360 times 2 pi r. So we know 88 over 360 times 2 pi, and r, our radius, it says the diameter is 150 feet. So our radius, we take 150 divided by 2, comes out to be 75, and that's it. I didn't want to make sure there's no squared. So we're going to find the exact answer. So if you type in your calculator alpha y equals, hit enter, 88, down arrow 360, right arrow parentheses 2, second key, the blue one, caret, give you the pi, and 75, and close parentheses, our answer comes out to be 115.191. So round to two decimal places. So it means we have to round up the third decimal, and since it's a 191, we just leave it as 19.19. And then what we'll end up saying is that that's going to be 115.19 feet, and we do not need to put squared. So that is all we write is a 100. Oh, sorry, I thought my T got crossed. 115.19 feet. If she only has enough air in her tires to ride her bike 112 feet, can she meet her goal? Show your support for the answer. So what we would say is no, because she rode 115.19 feet instead of 112 feet. That would be our answer. Okay. Now, next we're going to go to 8. It says the formula for finding the volume of a rectangle prism is V equals length times width times height. So I'm highlighting that in yellow. Where L is the length, W is the width, and H is the height, find the volume of the prism of the below. So our length is 6. Our width right here is 3. Our height is right here 4. All you do, type those in your calculator exactly like that. 6 times 3 times 4 gives you 72 feet. Or no, I'm sorry, centimeters. 72 centimeters. V equals 72 centimeters. That's the volume of that prism. Okay, pretty simple. The formula for finding the volume of a cone is V equals 1/3 pi r squared times h. And the formula for surface area is SA is equal to pi r squared plus pi r L, where r is the radius, h is the height, and L is the slant height. Find the exact volume of the cone. So we're going to use the one in red first. So we're just going to type in, or we're going to write down 1/3, if my thing's going to work, 1/3 pi, r is 6, so 6, parentheses 6 squared, times parenthesis height, which is 8. So we type that in the calculator. Alpha y equals, again, 1/3 times second pi. So second caret key to give you pi, parentheses 6 close square, parentheses 8, end parentheses, and we come out to be 301.5. We're going to round up 592, so we're just going to leave it as 59 meters squared. And I get the squared because we squared it right there. It's a giveaway for that. Now the surface area. They're using pi r, so r is 6 squared plus pi 6 times L, which is the slant height, which would be this part right here. That's the slant right there where I just made that black line. It's kind of a little harder to see, which would be 10. Type this all in exactly how you see it in your calculator. So again, second pi, parentheses 6, close parentheses squared, plus parentheses, or I'm sorry, plus second pi, parentheses 6, close parentheses, parentheses 10, close parentheses, and you come out to be pretty interesting. That we come out to be the exact same thing. So 301.59 is our answer. That's I've not seen that before, but there we go. So that's our meters. That's our area for that. Okay. Now we got 2 more, and then we're going to be done for today. Actually, maybe I'll do 12 and 13 today with you guys, and we'll see. Number 10. Segment RT is a diameter of circle 0 and is 12 feet long. So I'm going to draw a picture here to help me, so we know it's a circle, and we know I'm going to draw from this way that this is RT, and it's going to be 12 feet long. And arc CT is on the circle and measures 115. So we're just going to roughly draw this somewhere there. And we're going to say 115 right there. Okay. Actually, I do this wrong. I'm sorry. We're going to draw it this way, because we're going to say this is T and this is R. So it says CT is 115. Which of the following statements is true? Pick one. Arc CT is longer than segment RT. So they're saying that this right here is going to be longer than TR. Segment RT is longer than arc CT, so now it's the opposite. Arc CT and segment RT are the same length. There is not enough information to determine which is longer. So what we could sit here and figure out, we can do some calculation. Let me just double check, go back. We did this in a previous chapter. I'm just trying to remember which one it was, because this is a kind of review. Give me a second, guys. I'm just trying to think in my head. So we know that the radius is going to be 6 feet. Give me a second. I'm going to go look back in one of our previous ones. Try to remember if this was nope. Sorry, guys. So let's see. So it's going to be our standard one we've been using, where it's the degrees, so 115 over 360 times 2 pi r, which we said is 6 feet because 12 feet is diameter. So if we type this in our calculator, 115 over 360 times 2 parentheses 2 second caret key to get pi 6 comes out to be 12.04. So we know that arc segment, so the one in the pink, is longer by 0.04. So we know that one's true. We know 2 is not true. 3 cannot be true. But we know 1 is correct. So that's how we figure this problem out. So like I said, 12 pi. You could even simplify this as doing 12 pi 115 over 360. Timesing this together ends up giving us 12.04, as I said, which is longer than 12. Okay, so that means that's 12.4 feet, or 12.04 feet. Now, the volume of a sphere is given by the formula V equals 4 over 3 pi r cubed, where r is a radius of sphere. Find the exact volume of the following two spheres. So you're going to do A on your own because it kind of helps you out already with giving you the radius. So you just plug this in. I want you guys to do that one on your own. And B, we will do together. So it says diameter is 8. So that means r is going to have to be 4 because it's half of, that radius is half of diameter. So 4/3 pi, parentheses 4 cubed. So once again, type this just exactly like that in your calculator. Like, once again, use the app on your iPad. It's going to be a lot easier than your phone. Alpha y equals 4 down 3 times second caret, parentheses 4, close parentheses, caret key, and then hit 3. So you have to hit caret key to get the 3. Gives us 268.08 feet cubed. Or actually, should be cubic feet. So cubic feet. So because this is using the cube sign, so 3 means it's going to be cubic. Okay? Like I said, you need to do A on your own. I want you guys to do that on your own so you get practice on how to do this on your own. I'm going to stop there for today. Monday we will pick up and we'll finish these last ones off, and then the test will be on Tuesday. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I will answer anything that you have. Thank you guys, and have a great rest of your day, and have a safe, good weekend.